Ciao, buongiorno. I'm Chef Richie. I'm here in the Mooney Farms kitchen, the home of Bella Sun Luci sun-dried tomatoes. We are going to cook Daniel Becker's Baked Ziti pasta dish today. Daniel is an honorable mention. His dish is comfort food. It's a wonderful dish, Baked Ziti. The flavors are great. First we have the mushrooms and the garlic. I like to undercook my garlic. I don't like it cooked yellow, dark brown. It becomes bitter. Undercook your pasta by about 4 minutes less than it says on the package, because then it's also going to get baked in the oven and cooked some more. So this dish was a winner. The only thing I would have done differently would have been to added more sun-dried tomatoes. This medley of flavors combines all the Italian classics with some extra love from our Bella Sun Luci sun-dried tomatoes. Toss it all together, get the pasta in there, get the sauce in there. So this dish is vegetarian. You can add chicken, you can add sausage, you can add pork, you can add seafood even if you like. Congratulations, Daniel Becker. Excellent recipe. Fun, creative, nice job. Please do enter your recipe into the contest. I'm Chef Richie Hershen saying arrivederci.